Today we have an achiever with us, a gold medalist from Mumbai University, a gold medalist in Avishkar, and the most important, NIPER JEE All India Rank 40, and she has successfully registered a seat in NIPER Hyderabad Pharmaceutical Management.
Firstly, being associated with you is definitely something that I really appreciate, that I got the privilege to be associated with you, because the first time I heard your name was from Sunanda ma'am. So she's also my teacher, and the way she was talking about you, I felt so good that she's talking about a student and she's so proud of that student. And now I'm privileged that I am the student of that
Yes,
student.
I would want your success story because many aspirants tell and that sir चीजें manage नहीं होती, and you are one of the epitome, you are one of the examples that how being even in extracurricular and co-curricular activities you can manage and ace your competitive exams. How was that moment when you saw GPAT qualified हो गए, when you saw your NIPER qualified, and when you saw your MBA rank? Tell me that about that moment. Chinmay, there would be some moment in your life, there would be a particular time when you would have that FOMO, when you would feel mental burnout or saturation,
Yes.
or you would be tired. How did you deal with it, and how did you overcome these kind of emotions?
Okay, so firstly, I understand.
So, Chinmay, before we end, it would be unfair if we don't take a success mantra, or if we don't get some encouraging motivational words from your end for the upcoming juniors of your college, of Mumbai, of Maharashtra, of India, so that they can get motivated from you. What would be those golden words be?
I would say,
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have an achiever with us, a gold medalist from Mumbai University, a gold medalist in Avishkar, and the most important, NIPER JEE All India Rank 40, and she has successfully registered a seat in NIPER Hyderabad Pharmaceutical Management. So with that lovely introduction, I'd like to welcome Chinmay for today's podcast.
thank you so much, sir. And I'm really grateful, first of all, for having me on this podcast.
Absolutely.
Thank you so
So
much.
I would want your success story because many aspirants tell and that sir चीजें manage नहीं होती, and you are one of the epitome, you are one of the examples that how being even in extracurricular and co-curricular activities you can manage and ace your competitive exams. So my very first question to you, how was that moment when you saw GPAT qualified हो गए, when you saw your NIPER qualified, and when you saw your MBA rank? Tell me that about that moment.
Definitely something which was unbelievable, because I was completely a process oriented person. I'm not someone who is so much goal oriented, because that's something that just gives you attachment. And then if that doesn't happen, you ultimately go in disbelief, and you don't have the courage to stand up again. So I was process oriented completely, and I took it as different steps of life. So okay, ये हो गया तो the next step, then ये हो गया तो next step. So every step gave me, okay, this is the process, so okay, this is these are the requirements for this process, and how can I excel. So this was the basic framework that I followed with every step. So it was not a big picture, I was not overwhelmed by that. So that is what gave me an easier direction.
That's wonderful. So, Chinmay, I remember the date 14 January 2025. That was the day when we first spoke, probably after the session I had in your college. And when I spoke to her, I could see that perseverance that she would do it, and she can crack GPAT, she can crack NIPER, and very वो होता है ना कि डायमंड को परख हो जाती है कि हाँ she is going to be someone, she is going to do something great. And when she got enrolled with us, I was very happy because she, even in her interview, I would say we would upload that as well. So जो चिन्मयी ने अपना interview दिया था for MBA, it was one of the finest interviews that I had taken, very crisp and very
Thank
clear.
you.
So I've never seen तो नहीं कह सकते, but very few people with such great clarity के जैसे you even mentioned that you believe in baby steps, एक एक करने के बाद achieving one goal and then moving to the next. So very few people have that clarity. So I was happy that you had that in your mind. My next question to you, Chinmay, it would have been
Yes.
difficult because you have participated in Avishkar and other curricular activities. So how did you manage your time for studies and these activities? Oh,
Sir, firstly, I about Avishkar, I already participated in the third year itself for Avishkar, and there I had a loss. Like Seriously. It was something that I thought, okay, this will happen in the third year itself. I'll go ahead in the rounds, but it didn't happen because somewhere I lacked something, and I understood that. I took it as acceptance and move forward. And something, I would say, universe or something that came along. And this year, I had that hope. I had that confidence in me that okay, whatever happens, I have to do this. And Avishkar was something that really helped me and helped me boost the confidence that I lost in the previous year. And it also helped me believe that yes, I have the potential and I can do this. And the rest, the GPAT and NIPER, I would say I got really less time for GPAT. I can say the precise date. It was 19th February when I started my GPAT to the core. This was something, and one mistake I will say honestly that I did was not giving enough mock tests. So this is one thing that I will also suggest to my friends or any students that are giving NIPER and GPAT. Please do give mock tests. I was focused more on okay, complete Kanai syllabus. I have to focus on goals and everything. So that is why, and I also had SIA right after Avishkar. So it was pushed way more back, and I got really less time to go with it. And thanks to the 4 years that I had given to my pharmacy career, that I really had a good rank in GPAT. So that's what.
Definitely. And I really appreciate that quality of taking acceptance and taking up that accountability. That in the third year मेरे से नहीं हुआ. There was something that was lacking in me. मैं final year में करूँगी, and ऐसा कर दिया that now that's in history. That is the talk of the town because I guess Huntington, the project was on Huntington. If we had a
Yes, sir.
conversation. And Chinmay is one of that participants that is very enthusiastic. And आप बस उसको थोड़ा सा बता दो. She'll do the rest. Yes, before this podcast, मैंने थोड़ी सी research करी थी. So I saw that the first poster that we made together was on ethnopharmacology.
Yes,
Then we made on IU informatics, and then we had one poster on pharmacovigilance in drug safety.
yes,
So every poster me, I just gave her a little zest, and she was out with the great professional, subtle posters. So she's a very quick learner, and I believe everyone who is watching this video should have this habit of taking up acceptance and quickly learning things so that you can do multiple things in a very, very faster pace. So, Chinmay, now your rank came of NIPER, you were shortlisted for MBA, and you were also associated with us for the personal interview and
yes.
GD. So, how was your experience with us, first of all, right from your GPAT journey up to the GDPI? And how
So
was your
yes.
own journey?
Sir, firstly, being associated with you is definitely something that I really appreciate, that I got the privilege to be associated with you. Because the first time I heard your name was from Sunanda ma'am. So she's also my teacher. And the way she was talking about you, I felt so good that she's talking about a student and she's so proud of that student. And now I'm privileged that I am the student of that
Yes.
student. So I was really happy. So I'm her student as well as your student. So definitely this is something that I am privileged about, and I can talk today that yes, Payam sir has really taught me. And about the GDPI, definitely it went smoothly only because of the sessions that you took, the GD topics that were mentioned, all the faculty sessions, all the people who came to give the sessions, and the topics that were listed. Then the personal interview that was taken by you. So that also gave us a good perspective that what could be asked in the interview and how should you maintain your eye contact. You should be clear in your thoughts. So everything was covered by Payam sir and his team, of course.
I would like to add one point. Now, Sunanda ma'am will be talking about you, not me. And she will be telling that she's proud of you because I'll tell you one thing very quick, honestly. There are very few teachers who puts, it's a very small thing, who put status and what you call that
Yes,
story
sir.
and all. And I've seen her putting yours. She never puts it. You trust me, I was the one जिसका उन्होंने लगाया था way back 3 years back. And
Okay.
in the 3 years, I haven't seen her putting up any story. And yours was the one, I think so, of Avishkar. Sorry, this one only,
Yes,
the
yes.
gold medalist that she had put
Mhm.
up. So I was very happy to see, and your legacy continued. That you are entering
Yes.
NIPER, you are also doing Avishkar, and you have also become gold medalist. So many much similarities between us. So I was
Yes,
very
sir.
happy to see someone excel in life so well. Chinmay, there would be some moment in your life. There would be some a particular time when you would have that FOMO, when you would feel mental burnout or saturation, or
Yes.
you would be tired. How did you deal with it, and how did you overcome these kind of emotions?
Okay, so firstly, I understood what mental state I was going through. That okay, I am tired right now. I need rest, and I will do some other activities. Suppose I like to drive, so I drive, or I like to paint, so I paint, train my body. So I did all those. I gave a proper dedicated time to that as well. Because when you study so much, you do deep learning. Definitely, there's a stress on your brain that you need to relieve it. And I also talked actually to my parents, and grateful. I'm really grateful that my parents are also supportive. They understand what I'm going through. And they also supported me, my friends also, my school friends or my college friends. So all of them have played a role in my life I cannot really explain in words. So all of that is managed back in team, like a back in team.
You being associated with MET, and I have a very close association from with MET. We had Prathams, both the
Yes,
Prathams. We had you, we had Feni, we had Sahil. So many,
yes, yes,
so many students who have been with me. So always
yes,
that college has a special art for me. But you are one of the most special because I was also indulged with you in the extracurricular. So I was very happy with the
yes.
fact that you're not just academics oriented. You would also like to do something where you do presentation. And मैं audience को बताना चाहूंगा. I might attach the clip as well. So in her personal interview, Chinmay also said, I asked her a question कि आपने आविष्कार जीता. You are such good in research. So why you don't want to do core subjects? And the answer that she gave was phenomenal. She said, while I was presenting, I was the main presenter of all of these competitions, whether it is SIA or it is Avishkar. And at that time, I realized that I have a very good speaking skills. Or and you mentioned something like that, a statement, and that was the power statement, and probably that made me believe that, huh, you are going to get an MBA, sure, for sure. So, and you
Yes,
did.
sir.
So that is a great achievement that you have another
Thank
feather
you, sir.
in your hat, definitely.
Thank you, sir.
So, Chinmay, before we end, it would be unfair if we don't take a success mantra or if we don't get some encouraging motivational words from your end for the upcoming juniors of your college, of Mumbai, of Maharashtra, of India, so that
Yes.
they can get motivated from you. What would be those golden words be?
I would say, love what you do. You will definitely excel and have that zeal in you that yes, karna hai, to karna hi hai. And it's okay if this doesn't happen in the time that you want. It will definitely happen. If you really want it, it will happen no matter what. You continuously work towards it. It is going to happen.
Lovely. That's a wonderful session. Thank you so much,
Thank you, sir.
Chinmay. We are all proud of you. Your family is proud of you. Your college is proud of you for achieving so many accolades and so many laureates. Wishing you great success in your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.